Hi, welcome to SARAS kitchen. Today I'm going to share a very healthy green Moong Dal fry. First, in the pressure cooker, add 1 cup of sprouted green Moong Dal, finely chopped 2 medium-sized tomato, a cup of water, half a teaspoon of salt, close it and pressure cook it for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, open and see it's cooked. Heat the pan. When the pan is hot, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add 1 teaspoon of butter, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onions, add little bit of salt. Now the onion becomes soft and turns pink. Add ginger garlic paste and saute for a few minutes. Now the raw smell of ginger garlic paste completely goes out. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix it well. Add the excess water in the dal and mix it well. Allow all the masalas to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now it is done. Add the cooked moong dal. Mix it well. Add salt. Reduce the heat to low. Close it and cook it in low heat for 5 minutes. Now it is done. It's a very good side dish for chapati. Green moong dal is very good for health. Open and cook for few minutes. Garnish with coriander leaves. Try this healthy recipe. Give your comments and also subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching Sarah's Kitchen.